Hello guys, today's our topic is simple staining. So, as we know, to visualize the bacteria under microscope, we need to stain them. So, here is the simple staining. Simple staining procedure use only one stain. That's why it's called simple staining. So you got it. Simple staining means only use of one stain solution. Here are two types of simple staining. The staining, simple staining, when in which we use to stain the bacteria, it's called monochrome staining, and one in which we use to stain the background, it's called negative staining. So here is the two type of simple staining method. Monochrome staining. Monochrome. What is the meaning of monochrome? Mono means single, one, or chrome means color. So organism is stained by one single stain. So it's called monochrome staining. Requirement for monochrome staining are young culture of bacteria and methylene blue stain. So what we get in the result? The organism stained by methylene blue, whereas the background remain colorless. So as you got it, the monochrome staining. Now let's move toward negative staining. In negative staining, with the help of young culture of bacteria and nigrosin stain solution, we stain our bacterial background and the organism remain colorless. So in negative staining, we only stain the background and bacteria remain unstained. So you got the difference between monochrome staining and negative staining. In monochrome staining, we stain the bacteria, and in negative staining, we stain the background. So clear the requirement and process of simple staining. So let's move toward the principle or basic of simple staining. While in monochrome staining we only stain bacteria, and why in negative staining we stain the background? What is the chemical method behind the both staining process? So as you all know that bacterial cell wall contain the carboxyl group ion. So what is the group on bacterial cell surface? Carboxyl, COOH. Okay, so bacterial cell wall having carboxyl group on their surface. Okay, so the carboxyl group is ionized and form COO minus and H plus. So our bacterial surface is negatively charged. Okay, so negatively charged means bacterial surface having acidic in nature. So in monochrome staining we use basic dye. Okay, here we use methylene blue. Here you can use any other basic stain dye. Basic stain dye means basic stain dye. Here we use methylene blue. Okay, so methylene blue. So methylene blue have positive charge. Okay, and chlorine have negative charge. Okay, so the bacterial surface is negatively charged, acidic in nature, and methylene blue have positively charged, means basic in nature, so it's a basic dye. So what happen here is, after the ionization, the acidic cell wall surface stained by basic dye. So the bacteria stain with methylene blue. Clear? What happen is here? Ionization of bacterial cell surface. Bacterial cell surface become negatively charged and our dye is positively charged. So it stain the bacteria. Same in negative staining. What happen? In negative staining, as we know that our bacterial cell surface is negatively charged. Clear? So acidic in nature. Difference is this between monochrome and negative staining is that in monochrome staining we use basic stain, okay, and in negative staining we use acidic stain. So here our stain having also negative charge. So in this condition, between stain and bacterial cell wall ionic repulsion happen, so the stain did not stain the bacterial cell, it stained the background, so our bacteria remain colorless and background stained with acidic dye. So you get the difference between monochrome staining and negative staining. Simple. Monochrome staining, bacterial cell wall have acidic in nature, so it have negative charge on the surface. In monochrome staining we use basic dyes, and in negative staining we use acidic dye. So in monochrome staining it stain the bacteria, and in negative staining it stain the background, whereas bacteria remain colorless. So here you see some pictures of monochrome staining. You can see the bacteria are stained in purple violet color. As you know, we can use any basic stain, okay, for the staining. And in negative staining, here you see that our organism is remain colorless, only background stained by acidic dyes like nigrosin. Any other eosin or Congo red dye you can use. So it very simple.